Welcome to the Open Fender System Installation Guide for the 2015 through 2019 GMC HD 2500 through 3500. Our goal is to provide this comprehensive instruction in manageable sections so that an individual will feel comfortable during the process. This is not a replacement for the professional skills and experience required. Disclaimer: all liability for installation and use rests with the owner of the vehicle. Careless installation and operation can result in serious injury or equipment damage. For professional installation only. Start the suspension modification process by disassembling the following suspension components: drive shaft, tie rod end, upper A-arm, sway bar end links, and any brake lines or other hoses attached to the knuckle. Using an angle grinder with cutoff wheel, cut through only the stitch welds, holding the cups to the frame, careful not to hit any of the other components with the cutoff wheel. Using an abrasive pad, remove any wax on the frame components. Install the bump stop cups to the Fab 4 spacers. Line up the hole in the center of the cup with the circle scribed on the bottom of the spacer. Place two 2-inch stitch welds on the outer perimeter of the cup. Plug weld the hole in the center of the cup. Align the spacers with the frame mounts. For the front spacer, make sure the two fingers are flush against the frame mounts. The rotation will be set by the fingers. For the rear spacer, push the fingers tight against the frame mount and align the larger finger with the outside of the frame. Attach each spacer by stitch welding the fingers and the top faces of the boxes to the frame mounts. Clean up any spatter and remove melted frame wax. Then coat the bare parts in the coating of your choice. Once the coating has dried, reinstall the bump stops into their cups. Make notch cuts perpendicular to the face of the A-arm segment by cutting the OEM steering stop into multiple pieces. Then cut parallel with the A-arm face, as close to the arm as possible, to remove all of the material, leaving a smooth surface. Then, using the Fab 4 steering stop, place it on the A-arm using the Raise OEM cast cylinder on the top of the arm as a locating feature. With the Fab 4 stop in the correct location, mark and drill a 3/8" hole in the A-arm. Then, using a 9/16 socket and open-end wrench, bolt the stop bracket to the arm using a 3/8 by 1.5" yellow zinc grade 8 bolt, 2 flat washers, and a 3/8" nylock nut provided in the hardware kit. All cuts are mirrored steps and should be repeated on both sides of the vehicle unless specified.